What's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Comfelie. Comfelie is a brand that focuses on comfortable products such as seamless bras, workout gear for my ladies that are looking for everyday comfort. Their goal is to help women feel confident in themselves and be prideful of who they are. So that really shows in their products because their products are all focused on comfort. So if you're interested, you can definitely check them out, comfleet.com, or you can also shop on Amazon. Details are in the description down below, so make sure that you check that out. And I'm so excited to share all the goodies that I received in the mail, and I can't wait to try them on. So let's get straight into it. Okay, we definitely are loving how these leggings feel. They feel so comfortable. Like I could drop down low. Okay, like feels super comfortable. I love how again it has that nice tummy tuck. It's not like uncomfortable tightness. It feels good. The sports bra definitely gives full coverage. It's not tight. It feels good. Super soft on the skin. Love it. This I would definitely say feels so like I'm not even wearing anything. Like it feels so comfortable. Honestly, super seamless right here. Like it feels so good. Definitely a 10 out of 10. I may just have to adjust the straps a little bit better so that way it's nice and tight, but I feel definitely the support here in the back and definitely here in the bottom, but it's not super tight and anything. But compared to the green color that I had, definitely I would prefer that one over this one for sure. This one definitely gives me more like, again, workout vibes, which it is. Just have to tighten it up a little bit for me, but other than that, still it feels great on the skin. Love how this one has that nice V cut, but it's not too much. It's just a little bit, just a little bit. So you could wear it with a nice V cut shirt, super comfortable. I love the color. It feels so soft again on the skin. Like I'm just obsessed with just this material so far. Like it's amazing. This is the back. It helps definitely for my curvy girls. It definitely helps kind of like avoid having that roll from the back, because if you know, you know. So definitely this helps have that extra support there. So if you're looking for a bra for like everyday work, this is definitely it. I would definitely say this one is and will be my go-to for sure. So I'm gonna try it on with a shirt so that way we can see how it looks. I definitely love how it feels with the shirt on still. And I will say, like, if you know, you know, like the problem a lot of times with us and like with us and bras with having like the lines and you can still see under your shirt, definitely you do not get that with this. It's definitely perfect for like work. Love the support that it gives. Now, same thing. I'm going to try this one on under this shirt and see how this one looks as well. Having that this is kind of like the same as the one that I have already on, but the only difference is that we have this pattern here in the front. So we're going to see how it looks. Is this something that you can see under your shirt or not? Okay, it does not. Okay, and I'm actually very surprised because I thought this would have been a shirt that you can kind of see that, but you can't. And this feels so good. I would definitely say this has a little bit more of a support when it comes to like the band here in the bottom. This has a little bit more of a like a tighter pull compared to the other one, but they both feel very good. Like if you want something that has like a little bit more support underneath, but again that's wireless, then I would say this one would probably be better for you. But if you're looking for something that just feels like your girlies can breathe and you just don't really want something that has like too much support, but you know, just kind of like just feels super like there's a wiggle room, then I would definitely say the other one would work best. But yes, I would say all of these bras, 10 out of 10. They feel amazing. They look amazing. I love what the company stands for. It's all about women empowerment. It's all about safe products for our body. So again, if you're interested, be sure to check them out, comfly.com. Be sure to check out in the description down below for my discount code that you can go ahead and you can grab for Amazon or as well on their website. So thank you so much for tuning in to this episode. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions or concerns. Bye.